Imagine a world where robots do everything. They drive cars, teach our children, make meals, and even decide for us. That world is closer than we realize, and it causes us to think, are humans becoming irrelevant due to autonomous robots? As AI robots change continuously, they are revolutionizing relationships, industries, and maybe even our sense of purpose. Let's think a little deeply about this robotic revolution, and not whether we are terrified or excited. The rise of autonomous robots, a double-edged sword. From hospitals to even transportation, autonomous robots are transforming manufacturing. AI robots like Tesla's Optimus are taking the place of human labor, thus doing things at a much faster pace. Healthcare. Did you know surgical robots now have a high level of precision? As a matter of fact, humans take years of training to achieve such an advanced level. Transportation. Self-driving cars are the new normal, which may also replace millions of human drivers. Scary, right? Hospitality. Robots such as Pepper are improving customer service. So, customer service employees, you don't have to fake a smile anymore. You might just be irrelevant in a few years. Just kidding. While these things are pretty awesome, the thing is, if robots can do all the work, where do humans come in? Jobs at risk. Will we work alongside robots or be replaced? Retail and logistics. Robots, like Amazon's Kiva bots, are taking over deliveries and warehouses as well. Manual labor. Say goodbye to long days of farming because robots are even being used for this purpose. Yes, you heard that right. Even farms aren't safe from automation. Customer service. Who needs humans when AI-powered chatbots are available 24/7, 7 days a week without a break? The existential questions we must face. As robots take on more roles, we're forced to ask questions about purpose. If robots handle everything, then how do we measure our worth? Personally, I feel amazing after completing a small task. So if a robot does that, what am I left to do? Supervise the robot? All right. Dependency? Are we giving away too much of our thinking and problem solving to artificial intelligence? Ethics. How do we make sure these machines behave in a way that adjusts to our values? Personally, I believe robots are getting way too human-like, but that's just me. Robots and relationships, the new frontier. Look, you might be wondering, why is everyone shouting about automation everywhere? Well, it's because robots are actually creating a reality that is creepy at times. I mean, I am all for change, but the thing is, autonomous robots are getting into our personal lives. AI relationships. Some people are forming deep connections with AI systems. Will this improve or further isolate us? Companion robots. From Sony's Aibo to humanoid robots like Sophia, robots are filling as friends, companions, and even pets. The upside, robots enhancing humanity. Before we panic, however, let's consider this: global problem solving. Robots could actually find out some solutions better than humans. Research has it that AI could detect breast cancer years before it actually happened. Accessibility. Autonomous robots are already ahead of us by taking care of the sick and the elderly. There are robots designed especially for physiotherapy. The big question: are robots really making us irrelevant? Or are they causing us to change our outlook on how life is supposed to be? I admit, it's pretty strange, isn't it? Watching a bunch of machines taking over every other task. From making cheesy burgers to coding, robots have stepped into every role possible. But here's the twist. Maybe they're not totally replacing us, but forcing us to think bigger. As robots take over the boring and irrelevant, we have a chance to focus on our relationships, tasks, and problems that require human efforts. The fear of irrelevance is real, but so is our potential. Maybe the rise of robots isn't the end of our importance, it's the beginning of a whole new chapter. The revolution isn't coming, it's already here. The question is, what role will you play? Let me know in the comments. Are robots a threat or a new opportunity? Share with your friends and family to start interesting debates. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more information on AI robots and amazing new technology.